Let's make the most delicious summer salad. This watermelon cucumber salad is light, juicy, and bursting with flavor from sweet watermelon, crisp cucumber, fresh cilantro, and tossed in a zesty lime dressing. To get all of the recipe details, you can visit sweetysalado.com/en. The first step is to make the dressing, and to make it, we're going to need 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, about 3 tablespoons of maple syrup or honey, and of course, we're going to season it with salt and black pepper to taste. Give it a good whisk, and then we're going to set it aside. We're going to chop all the ingredients for the salad, starting with watermelon. I love using a small seedless watermelon for the salad, but you could also use half of a large watermelon. We're going to start by taking off the peel using a sharp knife. Once it's peeled, we're going to cut it in half. We cut each half into slices. Then we cut across the slices. And then we cut it into small cubes. For this salad, we're going to use about 2 to 3 Persian or small cucumbers or 1 English cucumber. And I love these because they don't have a lot of seeds, they're sweeter, and you don't have to peel them. And we're also going to cut them into cubes. We're also going to add chopped herbs like mint, basil, or parsley. But I love using cilantro because I love the flavor and because it goes so well with the lime dressing. Once we have all of the ingredients prepped, all we have to do is gently toss them in a large bowl. We add the dressing and toss again. And then we crumble our favorite cheese right before serving. You can use Mexican cotija, feta, or goat cheese. And that's how easy it is to make a refreshing and delicious watermelon cucumber salad.